Hello everyone, Nishant here from learnqaskill. In today's video, we are going to discuss about what is software testing, software development process, what is software quality, why software testing is important, why software has bugs. First topic is what is software testing. So software testing is a part of software development process, and the software testing is an activity to identify and detects the defect in the software. And the main objective of software testing is to release the quality product to the client. Next is the software development process, means how the software development processes goes on in the real-time environment. So here we will take an example of a bank. So suppose bank wants to develop the application for themselves. They approaches to the IT company with their requirements. So requirements like what are the day-to-day transactions they want to automate through the application, and the budget. Budget means how much money they can spend on the application to develop the application, and the time, at what time period they want their application to be ready and developed. So after taking the requirements from the bank, IT company analyze and review the requirement given by the bank. Then they decide to develop an application, and contract is signed between the bank and IT company. Then they start working on the application, they develop the application. Once the application is developed, they conduct the testing. Once everything is good in the testing, they deliver the application to bank. So this is how the software development process works. Next is what is software quality. So quality of software depends on a certain parameters. So first parameter is bug-free software. So whenever we deliver any software, it should not have any bugs. Means it should not have major bugs, critical bugs. Second parameter is meets the client requirement and expectations. So whatever the application we have developed, it should develop as per the client's requirement. Whatever the requirement has given by the client, as per that requirement the application should develop, and it should behave as per the requirement. And third parameter is delivered on time. So our application should be delivered on time. So whatever the timeline decided in the initial meetings or at the time of agreement, so within that time only the application should be delivered. Fourth parameter is software within the budget. So software should be developed and ready within the budget, decided budget. So these are the four parameters. So on these four parameters we measure the quality of software. Next topic is why software testing is important. First point is cost effective if bug found at early stages of SDLC. If there is any bug found at early stages of SDLC, the cost of fixing that bug is less cheaper than if we found the bug at later stages of SDLC. Second point, software testing improves the product quality. Third point is customer satisfaction. If we deliver the quality product to the client, the customer get happy by using our product. So these are the three reasons why the software testing is important. Next is why software has bugs. So there could be a multiple reasons why the software has bugs, but there are mainly these 5 reasons. First is the software complexity. Software complexity means the software is a very complex. It has a multiple modules, sub-modules, multiple third-party libraries integrated with the software. So because of this complexity as well, we get the bugs in the software. Second is a frequently changing requirements. Means the requirements are getting changed frequently. Means already we are working on some requirement. That requirement is not completed yet, and we got the another new requirement. So now we have to start working on the new requirement. So there could be a confusion between the requirements because of this frequently changing requirements. This could be the reason the software has bugs. Third reason is miscommunication or no communication between the team members. Means the developer is saying something about the requirement and tester is understanding something else about the requirement. So there is no clarity between the requirements. So this could be the reason why the software has bugs. Fourth reason is programming errors. So due to programming errors as well, we get the bugs in the software sometime. And last one is a lack of skilled tester. The tester who is doing the testing, he don't have the proper knowledge, or he doesn't have the proper skill set on the testing. So this could be the reason we get the bugs in the software. So these are mainly 5 reasons why we get the bugs in the software. Thanks for watching the video.